Hello and welcome back. We are now going to spend the next few minutes exploring some of the apps that fall under the technical objects group. Some of the technical objects that we're going to work with in SAP include the functional location. We have the functional location BOM. We have equipment and equipment BOM. And we also have the material BOM. And what I'm showing here are some of the tiles or some of the apps that you're going to need to either create, modify, edit, or even display your technical objects. So we're going to navigate to the Fiori Launchpad, and over there we'll be looking at one of the tiles, which is Display Master Data Information Center, looking up the technical objects data. We're also going to be looking up at Maintain Bill of Materials, where we shall be seeing how to create new bill of materials and even looking up the information of a BOM. So we are at our Fiori Launchpad landing page here. I'm going to select Technical Objects. We have all our tiles here. And now we're going to look up the Display Master Data Information Center tile. So on this page, you need to enter the number of your technical object. The assumption is that you have already created your master data and you have that technical object in the system. So you need to enter that number there. And then once you do that, you need to display it in Asset Viewer. So in Asset Viewer, I have my technical object displayed. As you can see, this is a hydraulic pump. If I click on that, I can open up the structure. And if I click on that arrow, I'll see some of the components that make up this hydraulic pump. We have the casing, we have the rubber seal, electronics, motor, and other components. So that's how you display your technical object. Now let us go back and look at the bill of materials, maintaining bill of materials. Again, we select technical objects and go down to maintain bill of materials tile. So clicking on that gets me to this point where I have a number of filters. And the three that we're going to use include or are going to be material. We're also going to use the plant and bill of material usage. So assumption again here is that you already know the material number that you want to look up. So you enter it there. Then you enter the plant number. That is where your material BOM is installed. So after selecting the plant, you need then to go to select the BOM usage, where within that plant is your BOM being used. It could be in plant maintenance, production, or even production rework. So once that is selected, you execute, and now you have the information for your bill of materials. So we have the material, then we have description, the plant, and BOM usage as we entered earlier. So you can create a new BOM by clicking on that there and entering the information that is needed, or even create a version of your bill of material. So that is how we work with tiles for technical objects or apps for technical objects group. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And please remember to subscribe to our channel.